guys.
So wala pa kaming tulog, straight from work. May nakita kaming place sa may Valenzuela. Love, anong pangalan nun?
Parang Alvarez
Place.
Ganun.
Sunduin lang namin yung kumpare ko and office mate, kasama yung anak niya, si Kuhol, and
yung anak niya makulit si Jay.
And
pupunta na kami doon. Doon kami magla-lunch.
We're gonna check that place out.
Yes.
And we'll tell you how it is.
See you. Hi, Jay!
Dito tayo na, hindi ako sa harap.
Hello. Ayan sila. Vlog to ah.
Vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Well, we're almost here. Alvarez Park. There we go. So it took us, love, 1 hour, no?
Yes.
1 hour drive from Makati. And this is the parking space. Parking lot, I mean.
So, andito na kami sa Alvarez Park Cafe. At exactly
1 o'clock in the afternoon. It's located here in Valenzuela City.
Yes.
It's about an hour's drive from Makati, and there's no traffic because it's a Saturday afternoon.
Saka dumaan tayo sa
Skyway.
Yeah. So, ayan. So, eto, yung Alvarez Park, located siya exactly sa 9 Tagalog, Valenzuela. At ang operating hours niya is from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. So, open siya daily except Wednesday. Bakit kaya? So, ayan.
Tara, let's go!
Andito na po. Ay, what's that? Oh, maano siya, love. Talaga, ano? Ang lakas mga, sea vibes. Ayan, ganda rito. Ayun, so, andito kami sa parang pantalan.
Yes, this is the Fisherman's Point of Alvarez Park.
Yes. Ganda rito, love.
Actually, this is an ideal place if you wanna go on a date, diba?
Exactly.
Siguro pag nighttime, when the lights are on, mas maganda dito, no?
Try kaya natin pumunta rito naman pag nighttime, no?
Yeah.
Dito sina Marky. Hi, Marky! And San!
So the place behind me is is the restaurant that serves Western food. Check out natin.
Yes, let's go! Nice!
So it has this Manila Yacht Club vibe. If you've been to Manila Yacht Club, this is the walkway, or this is the gangway. And we're here to check out that place. So that's the Fisherman's Point restaurant that serves Western cuisine. So we're just gonna check it out, but we have already decided to eat seafood.
Yep.
So this is I believe this the Fisherman's place. Pwede raw na magsakay dun sa boat or any of these floating vessels, mga swans.
Gusto ko yun. Pwede daw sumakay doon?
Yes.
Oh, hi. Nice naman. Parang gusto mo i-try doon. Maybe later.
And when I ask around, there's this house in the middle of the fishing wharf. Love, show them the house, love.
Here.
So that house is available for rent for events. and even this one. So if you want to have an exclusive event,
Nice, oh.
here in Alvarez Park Cafe, that's available.
Ganda talaga dito, promise. Tapos nakisama pa yung panahon.
Yes, hindi siya mainit and hindi siya
Yeah.
malangsa.
Di ba kung makikita niyo yung ano na yan, di ba napapalibutan tayo ng
fish pond.
Ng fish pond? Hindi siya malansa, guys. As in. Ang lakas niya maka-ano, love eh. Yung parang European ano. Nice. Yung Fisherman's Point. Hello. Hello. Pwede ba umakit sa taas?
Pwede.
Ay, kaya natin.
Tara.
Tingnan natin yung view. Ganda ito. Wala, may bahay, oh.
Ano daw to, love? Tawag dito, pinaparent. Pag gusto ng, ito events place. Pero yun yung western restaurant. Ano ba mas trip mo, love? Western or seafood?
Seafood? Kain na yan. Ang ganda rito. Nice! Oh, di ba ang peaceful? Alain mo may ganito sa city. Saya. Sarap isama ng mga friends dito and family. Mag-enjoy kayo dito for sure.
So we are here in the roof deck or the alfresco part of Fisherman's Point restaurant. When they say it's a floating restaurant, literally it is a floating restaurant. If you look at what's surrounding this, it's all water and it's shaky. It's really a floating restaurant.
It is. So, ayun guys, so, pupunta pala dito si Miss Cara dito sa window natin. So, this dito.
So meron pala silang water activities dito, love. So boat kayaking for 30 minutes, it's 200. Yung sea bike or bike kayak, that's 200 for 30 minutes.
Not bad.
No, meron pa rin silang activity, depende nga parang, ito fishing rod rental, 300 pesos per day. So pwede ka mangisda.
Love it.
Yung pala yung pwede ka mangisda dito. It makes sense, di ba? Na kaya may fishing pond na malaki. Di ba? Make the most out of it na mangisda ka na. Nandiyan na yung mga isda eh.
Hi! Hi! So, yung mga kinain natin, sinigang na hito, sisig, tapos ano nga to?
Lumpia, Shanghai.
Yung Shanghai, tapos, ano ba yung isa? Yung?
Salted pepper squid.
Yes. Anong masasabi niyo? I-rate nyo nga 1 to 10, yung sinigang na hito.
Ako, favorite, mas gusto ko yung sinigang na hipon. Second, yung sisig, lumpia, and then yung salted pepper stew.
Ikaw, Marky, kung i-rate mo.
Ako lahat 10 out of 10. Bali 9 out of 10 lang yung siniga kasi hindi ako kumakain ng seafood. Masarap lang yung sabaw kaya 9 yung points niya. Tapos kung i-rate ko naman hierarchy kung ano yung mas masarap. First is itong ano to?
Salted pepper stew.
Opo. Yan. Next yung sisig. Next yung lumpia. Tapos ayun, yung sinigang.
Yeah.
Pero ako lang,
Pero ito kumakain pa rin ako hanggang ngayon. Yun.
Kasi itong shakes nila,
Sarap.
yung milkshakes nila, ito yung sa akin ano ba to? Ang mint masarap din to. Gusto ko to, yung mga ano nila.
pero alam mo kung anong mas masarap sa sinigang na hipon? Ikaw.
So ayun, katatapos lang namin mag-lunch and chill-chill lang kami dito. Marky!
Nandito kami sa boathouse.
Hello, Jeje! Nandito kami sa boathouse.
Nanonood ng mga lumulutang na duck.
Yes. Tignan niyo naman kung gaano kaganda dito. Diba, taray? Sabi nga ni Love kanina, Louisiana Fields, no?
Yes, para ka nasa New Orleans,
Yes.
Louisiana. Yan, makikita mo parang mga,
Doon.
mga mock steamboats. Diba?
Sarap. Papatunaw lang kami, then later,
Ano to Southern Feels.
balik na sa Makati.
Yes.
See ya! So, meron din sila ditong love locks. Ayun. Bare, isusulat namin dun sa kadena yung kadena, ano pa tawag dun yung sa locks, yung name namin. Name ng couple. Tapos talagyan namin dun sa Pakita namin sa inyo later. Ayan. Pakita natin sa kanila. Kuku and Jing.
So lang.
Pakita natin. Hi! So, ayun. Pauwi na kami
Yes.
galing sa
Alvarez Park.
Yes. And, Love, ano masasabi mo? Honest review.
Honest review. So, yes, Alvarez Park, it's worth visiting. Yes, it's really nice, cozy. Ano siya it's like, alam mo, it's a dating place, diba? If you want to try something different. For a date, tapos you don't have enough time to
Yes.
go out of Metro Manila.
Tama.
Diba?
Kasi dito, kumbaga parang unusual na may ganun sa sa city Kumbaga kasi mga ganung feels parang sa mga province.
Sa province mo. At kung gusto mo ng ganung feels, siguro the least that you are, the nearest that you can go to is Batangas, di ba?
Oo.
Pero ito is just in Valenzuela. Sabi ko nga, with the Skyway is less than an hour from Makati. Diba?
Tapos ang sarap din ng food, di ba?
Masarap din yung food nila. And very hospitable yung crew. Ang babait ng crew.
In fairness naman. Tsaka gusto ko yung shake. Yung in-order ko na mint gusto ko yun.
Siguro mas maganda if you come there mga morning or late afternoon papunta ng closing nila para matry nyo yung other events. At saka hindi nga namin na-experience na yung ambience na with lights, no? Kasi maliwanag pa hindi naman, it's not practical naman to stay there for like 7 hours.
Yes.
Pero it's really worth visiting.
Yes.
Maganda siya.
Tapos pa kami doon, gumawa kami nagsulat kami ng Love, di ba?
Love lock.
Yung sa Love Lock.
Yes.
Naglagay kami ng lock dun sa sealed and na. Ayun. Sige, pauwi na kami.
See you in the next video.
Bye.
Like, share, subscribe.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah.